D division students, ask your friends to join immediately. Students, you have to join with compulsory official mail ID. Nipun Kulkarni wants to join. Okay. I will not accept outside organization. B division students, please ask your friends to join immediately. I will start. I will not wait now. Students, have you performed the practicals of half adder and full adder using basic gates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got the output? You got the output as per the truth table. You are getting the output. Okay. C division, C1, C2 batch. Have you performed the practical? Yes. You can speak. Unmute yourself and please speak. Have you performed the practical? C division, Gaurav, 328. Gaurav, please unmute yourself. Yes. Have you performed the practical? Yes or no? No. Why? Why you are not performed? Tell me, because this lab is conducted before Diwali only, right? Half adder and full adder. Is it right? So is there any problem? Yes, students, is there any problem with that concept? Have you understood the concept of half adder and full adder? If you will not speak, then how I will come to know? Can you please tell me? C division. Otherwise, again, one by one, I will need to ask. It is not possible. Please speak. Have you understood or not? You just feel free to speak. Ameya, Ameya C division. Have you understood the concepts? Done the practical, getting the output as per the truth table? Okay. B division, roll number 5. Roll number 5, have you performed the practical? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Roll number 21, Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 239, Pranav. Getting the output? Okay. Is there any problem with Delsim now? Okay. D division. D division, have you performed the practical? Half adder, full adder? Okay. Getting the output? Okay. So with basic gates, have you understood the concept of half adder and full adder now? With basic gates. That is with using AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Have you done that? Have you understood the concept? How to design the circuit? No problem. You have done that using AND and XOR, that is okay. But you understood that part now? The concept of half and hard. Okay. So now for today's lab, I'll be starting with same assignment, but with using the universal gates, right? With using NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay. So this is your first assignment, right? Assignment number 1 that you have already started and you have done it with using basic gates. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so in the first assignment, the first part that is to realize the full adder and half adder using basic gates that we have covered. Now with using universal gates, means with using NAND gate or NOR gate. Okay, so with this, I'll be directly starting with the concept, as you already know that the concept of half adder and the concept of full adder, right? Basically, this part is already explained, that is uh, how you will get this truth table of half adder and full adder and how to design this circuit based on this truth table, right? By plotting the K map, you will be getting the equation, and based on that equation, you can draw the circuit, right? So that part is done. Now, to design this circuit, to design the half adder with using NAND gate, okay, for that you will be required to understand few concepts, okay, first, and that I will cover first, and after that we'll see half adder using NAND gate. Okay, so I'll be opening these notes and then I'll be explaining this one particular expression with using NAND gate. Okay, so that will be easy. See now, till this point you have seen that any particular expression, but with using either XOR gate as you said now, or AND gate and OR gate that you have used. Okay, but if you want to perform with using universal gate, using NAND implementation or NOR implementation, certain logic you have to use it. Okay, if we'll use that particular logic, it will be easy. Otherwise, to always take the AND gate with using not NAND gate or OR gate with using NAND gate. Okay, so it will take some time to understand that topic as well as to design the circuit. So there is one simple way how to convert any particular expression with using NAND gate or any particular circuit that is already formed with AND or with using NAND. Okay, now in the notes there is one portion, it is already you have gone through, that is the SOP and POS, right? Sum of product and product of sum, right students? You know that right? Now with this concept, I'll start with this NAND implementation. Okay, if we want to perform the NAND implementation, in that case you can apply the NAND logic in the case of function. In that function, those functions to be need to be simplified in the sum of product form. Here you can see implementation of Boolean function with the NAND logic requires that the function to be simplified in the sum of product form. Okay, this is the specification. Just like why I'm saying this, this is always considered as if the form, if the expression, if the Boolean function, if it is given in the sum of product form, you can easily apply the NAND logic. Okay, So the relationship between the AND OR logic and NAND logic is explained with this help of example. You can see this particular example, Boolean function. One particular Boolean function is given. Okay, I am explaining this with the help of this, and then we'll switch to half adder. Boolean function is given y equal to ABC plus DE plus F. Okay, so I'll be just going through the directly here only I will show you. Okay, so the equation that is given by, is my screen is visible to you? Okay, ABC, right, plus DE, okay, plus F. If this is the expression is given, or you can say Boolean function, and if you have to implement this with using basic gate as well as universal gate, right, that we'll see first how it is possible. As you know that this is simply a sum of product form, right? This is a SOP form. With this SOP form, you can see that simply here you can use the AND gate, right? You can use AND gate. This is a product, right? Here also you can use the AND gate, and here also here not required, right? And for this you can take a ORing of this, okay, because this is the addition. So here you can use the OR gate, right? So this ABC, I'll be taking directly these three as a input. D and E, okay, and one more input, that is F. So with these three, sorry, this should be OR gate now. Right? So this will be this expression. Okay, this part you already understood with using basic gates, with using AND OR. Okay, now if I want to implement with with using NAND gate, okay, what I will be doing? I'll be writing in the next page. So I'll be explaining that expression also. Again, one more time, I will write the expression. Okay, with NAND gate, what I will do now, I will be directly writing with NAND gate. Okay, first I will tell you the expression, and then similarly at the same time circuit. See, simply instead of AND gate, I am simply placing NAND gate. Okay, see what will happen. Because with using NAND gate, we have to perform, we have to design the circuit. So these are the three inputs. This will be D and E, and with, sorry, only one input it is there, F. And again I am placing the NAND gate. Okay, here you can see that I'm using only the NAND gates. Whatever I have done previously, that was with using AND gate and OR gate. But now I am just replacing all with, here you can see three input AND gate, NAND gate, then two input NAND gate, okay. And then this is one input NAND gate I am using. I'm not giving directly. Why? That also I will tell you. And again, I'm applying these three inputs to one more NAND gate. See, whenever we'll give to the NAND gate. What, see, as you know that if I'll be providing any input to the NAND gate, what I will be getting for NAND gate as an input, if I'll be giving this basic NAND gate, that is A and B, if those are the input, what will be the output I should get, students? Can you tell me? If this is a basic AND gate in which two inputs are there, what will be the output? AB bar, right? Okay, so with this, if I will take it with this, if I want to implement this with using NOT gate, that first part I will tell you. If I want to implement the AND gate with using NAND gate, how I can implement that? Any AND gate with using NAND gate. Suppose, okay, before this, I will tell you that concept so you will understand it. I want to AND gate using NAND gate. As AND gate, you know that this will be getting A, B, right? A, B, A dot B. But I want A, B with using NAND gate. How is it possible? Can, yes? With not gate is also I cannot use because that is the basic gate. I need to compulsory use NAND gate. And I want this output. Using 3 NAND gates. Okay, I'm going through one particular diagram. You just tell me whether it is correct or not. Okay, A and B, two inputs. With this, I'm using this NAND gate. So I will be getting A dot B bar. Right? Now what I want AB. Again the complement of this, right? If I will take complement 2 times A double bar, what should be the output? What should be the answer? A. So I'll be again take the complement of this, but I cannot use NOT gate, right? So one more time I will take the NAND gate. Okay, but that will be only two inputs are there, but same input will be providing to both the inputs, right? So in that case, what I will do, I'll be taking this like this and then this. Why? Because both the inputs are same. If I'll be providing, if I want, suppose this is a NOT gate. A and A bar we are getting, right? Now suppose for this NOT gate, I have to implement with using NAND gate. Okay. What I'll be doing? Only one input it is there. So if one input it is there, but we don't have a circuit. We have a IC for minimum two inputs in AND gate or gate NAND gate, right? So to provide two inputs, both the inputs will be A only. So I'll be designing, I can use the symbol like that. Okay. Right. So what I will get over here? A dot A bar. Right? Because A here also getting, A here also we are providing. A dot A bar means what? A bar. Right? Getting it? Now similarly I'm providing this input to both the sides. A dot B bar and A dot B bar. What I will get? What I should get? A dot B bar and then again one more time bar. Right? So I will get A dot B. So I'm getting this AND gate with using NAND gate. Right? I'm getting this AND gate result with using two NAND gates. First, I have provided AB as an input. Output will be A dot B bar. Output is A dot B bar. A, B bar. Right? Now, if I'll be providing the same input to both the input terminals, I'll be getting 2 times bar over here, right? Or it is already there, one more time. Means actually it is what? A dot B, right? So I'm getting the AND gate with using NAND gate. The same logic you have to apply over here. Okay. So what will be the expression I'll be getting? This part you understood? This right side part, you understood this? It's, see students, it's very important. Otherwise you will not understand the next part. Okay. Now you just tell me, now here I have written over here 3 inputs, right? What will be the expression I will get over here? I'll be getting the expression that is A, B, C bar. Right? Okay, here I'll be getting D, E bar. And here I'll be getting F bar. Right? If I am designing this circuit, how I will get this result? That I am telling you in the reverse way now. With using NAND gate, how I will get this result? Okay, so I'm simply putting the NAND gate for all wherever I have inserted previously the AND gate and OR gate. Okay, so NAND gate, NAND gate, NAND gate, the result I am getting ABC bar, DE bar and F bar, right? Okay, with this, one more time we are using the NAND gate. So what will be the result I'll be getting over here? Can you tell me? Yes? Can you tell me students the result of this Y? Y equal to, I'll be getting ABC, right, bar. The product of this only, because this is NAND gate, DE bar dot F bar, right, and the bar of this whole bar, because this is a NAND gate. So A, B, C, if I am considering this X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, bar of that. So this is nothing but as it is this term and bar of that, complement of that, right? So this expression I am getting, but I am designing the circuit for this expression. So how this is relevant? Is this similar? Is this same or not? Yes, it is same. Okay, how I can prove that it is same? Can you tell me which law we can apply? De Morgan's law, right? So with the help of De Morgan's law, which law? De Morgan's law, that is AB bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, this is the De Morgan's law. With this law, if I'll be applying on this, what the equation I will get? With this, I'll be getting the equation. See, over here, I'll be considering this as a this as a B, and this as a C. Suppose, okay, A, B, whole bar. Okay, now this complete term will be A, that is A, B, C bar. This B, I am considering D, E bar, and this C, I am considering F bar, and the bar of that, right? So if I'll be considering with this, so what I will be getting over here? A, B, C, right? Plus D, E, plus F, right? You have to consider this term, students. You have to consider this term and the bar of this. That is nothing but AB. AB bar. That you have to apply over here. You will get this equation. Okay? A bar. This bar, it is already there. So this is there. And this one more bar, it is coming. Because of we have applied De Morgan's law. So 2 times complement means we can eliminate that, right? So I can write ABC plus DE plus F. Right? So getting this equation with the De Morgan's law, you'll be getting this equation that we want to prove it with using NAND gate. Have you understood this? Yes or no? Okay, see, if you will use this particular logic, it is easy to implement with using NAND gate. Okay, there are number of ways are available on the internet also. But if you will go through with using the way, like how to perform, how to implement the AND gate using NAND gate, for that two AND gates will be required. There are multiple ways, but this is the simplest way that I am telling you. Any particular expression, SOP expression, you can implement with using NAND gate. Simply, instead of placing AND gate and OR gate, you can place NAND gate, and with the help of De Morgan's law, you can convert that. Okay, that means that is actually this expression only, but just we have proved that over here. Okay, so similarly, we have to do it for half adder, right? But before that, I'm in continuation with this, with NAND, how to apply with NOR. That also we'll see. Okay. Okay, see over here, this part is given rules for obtaining the NAND logic diagram. I'll be going through this. Okay. Simplify the Boolean expression and express it in sum of product form. Okay. The first step, if you want to design the circuit with using NAND, you have to simplify that Boolean expression compulsory in the form of SOP. Then draw a NAND gate for each product term of a function that has two or more literals, and the input to each NAND gate are the literals of the term. Okay, this constitutes a group of first level gates. Now, if Boolean function include any single literal or literals, draw the NAND gate for each single literal and connect corresponding literal as an input to the NAND gate, and draw a single NAND gate in the second level with input coming from the output of first level gates. That just now we have seen in that particular diagram, right? Now this one more example, it is also given. Implement the following Boolean function with NAND logic. This expression is given. This is minimized with using AND OR and with using NAND. Here it is given. Okay. Now NOR implementation. This we have done for NAND. Now NOR it is always used for the POS form. See, the implementation of the Boolean function with NOR logic requires that the function to be simplified in POS form. As you know that is the product of sum, right? Product of sum. So always we are using first the OR gates and then the product of that. Okay, product of sum means OR gate, and then the product means AND gate, right? So in the product of sum form, we implement all sum terms using OR gate, right? And in second level, all the sum terms are logically ANDed using AND gate. Here you can see, if this is a product term, right? This is the POS form, right? You can see that A plus B plus C, that is in one bracket, and D plus E. Okay, we'll see over here only for the POS NOR implementation. Okay, NOR, it is generally used for the POS form. Okay, you have to first simplify the expression in the POS form, and then easily you can design the circuit. Now with this, the expression I will write over here, y equal to A plus B plus C, D plus E. If any expression it is given in the SOP form and you have to design the circuit with using NOR, then you have to convert from SOP to POS, and then you can design the circuit. Right? This is the expression with using NOR. How you can do it? With using basic gate, you know that already. So what I will do, I will simply with using NOR. A, B, C, 3 input. Okay, A, B, C. Then with D and E. And with F. This is a one input. Okay. So what I have done, I have simply placed everywhere NOR gate. A, B, C plus NOR gate instead of OR, NOR. Okay, here instead of or, nor. Here for F also, though it is a direct input, I'm using one input NOR gate. That compulsory you have to use. Though if it is a one input, you have to use one input NOR gate like this symbol. Okay. Then all three outputs goes to again one more NOR gate. Okay. So three inputs, two NOR gate, and what will be the expression now here we'll get? Similar to NAND gate, just now we have implemented, right? What I will get over here? I'll be getting A here, A plus B plus C bar, right? Then D plus E bar and then F bar, right? After this, what I'll be getting A plus B plus C bar. Okay, this is one term. I'll be writing in bracket plus D plus E bar plus F bar. And the whole bar is the result of this, right? So I'll be getting this. Okay, with this, if I'll be getting this expression, whether these two are similar, yes, again you have to apply the De Morgan's law. Okay, which law you can apply De Morgan's law now over here? You can apply the law A bar, A plus B bar equal to A bar dot B bar. You have to apply this De Morgan's law over here. Okay, De Morgan's law. A plus B bar equal to A bar dot B bar. If you will be applying this law, what you will be getting? You will be getting the equation A plus B plus C bar 2 times. Okay, plus D plus E bar 2 times because already it is there 1 bar plus F bar 2 times. Okay, with this you'll be getting the equation A plus B plus C plus D plus E, okay, and plus F. Sorry, instead of plus here it will be required dot now because this is the De Morgan's law we have applied. Right, students? So, any particular POS expression, it can be simplified with using NOR implementation. Okay? So, this particular part over here, it is given with using any circuit or NOR implementation, how it is to be done. Okay? All these steps are also given over here in the notes. Fine? So, this is the part. Now, I'll be switching to half adder with using NAND realization. Okay? So, see, in the half adder, using NAND gate. Okay, for that, what is the expression that you are getting? Can you tell me the half adder expression of sum and carry? Sum and carry. Can you tell me the expression of half adder? Yes, students, are you listening or not? Who is talking? What's your name? Yes, yes, please. It's right. You are from